So this here is Article 13, which is responsibilities of our executive committee. Our executive committee consists of president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, and fifth member. So it is 6 sections in this article. And I'll just kind of read maybe a few of them just so you can see what's in our Constitution. Section 1, it shall be the duty of the president to preside over all meetings of the tribal council and to carry out all orders of the tribal council unless prevented by just causes. The president, with the assistance of the subordinate executive committee office, shall also exercise powers delegated to the president of the tribal council. And then Section 2 talks about the vice president. Section 3 talks about the secretary. Section 4 is the treasurer. And then Section 5 is the fifth member. And then Section 6 talks about, so there shall be an executive committee which shall consist of the president, vice president, the secretary, treasurer, and the fifth member. The executive committee shall act on behalf of the tribal council when tribal council is not in session, and shall be in charge of all routine matters that arise during such recesses, including the administration of the land provisions of this constitution, and shall other matters as may be delegated to it by the tribal council, and shall make a report at each regular and special session of the tribal council, and shall adopt resolutions that are not inconsistent with resolution or ordinances adopted by tribal council. So that there is just the responsibilities of our executive committee. And some in the community have asked maybe a little, maybe for some more specified duties or on each of those roles, or each of those, like president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, maybe some more specified duties of each, or something like that, was just the comment that was at one of the sessions in the community. So with that, that was Article 13. We'll be moving on to Article 14.